Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll. And tonight I come to you with an update on the Shirley Temple wig. So I have curled it. Well, let's start at the beginning. I have brushed it, picked it, pull out hair that I didn't want to pull out that just came out on its own. I was afraid there wasn't going to be enough hair. I have got it in curlers right now. And here it is. I have put my own wig cap in there. It is ready to go. There she is. There is my wig. And I'm going to tell you right now, I didn't think I was going to have enough hair to curl with. And I do. And it worked out pretty nice. And I'm pretty pleased with it. I was talking to somebody who was showing me some pictures of Shirley Temple. And they said, don't be surprised. They were telling me exactly what I was going through. We were talking about it. And they said, you know, Shirley Temple just didn't always have ringlets. We associate Shirley Temple, we say Shirley Temple ringlets. And she said she didn't always. If you look at some of her pictures, you'll find out that she had also a mop of curls. And not always ringlets. Sometimes they were just curls in her hair. And she said she showed me a picture of Shirley Temple sitting backstage getting ready for a movie. And she had actually little rag curls in her hair. So she didn't always wear ringlets all the time. There are times where she had, like, there's ringlet forms, but there's a lot of curls in there as well. So I found that interesting. So she said, if your wig doesn't turn out totally right, she says, you're still within the rights of the curls and everything else. And I said, thank you, because I might just be that way with the fact of how much hair came out of this doll and how damaged this wig was on her. It was very, very damaged. It was so dry and brittle and everything. It's so nice now. The hair is soft and gentle, and I've got a conditioner on it and everything. And it just took to the conditioner. I was showing it to somebody, and they said, oh my goodness, it's so soft. And I said, if you had seen it at the beginning, it was brittle in my hands. Some of the hairs that were like little brittle pieces of hair that was just falling out of it. The thread inside was so weak it couldn't even hold some of the hair in place. I had sewn some wefts of hair back in again and to hold it stronger inside the wig. This wig was rotten. Not the hair so much now that I got it conditioned. It was the threading inside that was holding it together that was rotting away. So I had other issues on top. So I went to a store down the end of my street there, and I talked to them, and I said, I need a thread that's going to blend in with this hair. And I brought the wig right in with me. And so we laid the wig down, and she kept putting thread across, and finally she came up with this one right here, and it works. Oh my goodness, and I love this thread. I never played with little spools that have this little locking mechanism. So if a lot of you seamstress out there who are very much acquainted with probably this type of thing, I've never seen it before. So you can just see how much I'm in the sewing world. So, but I was really happy to learn a lot, and I'm learning, and it was so fun to learn all this. And you just put this little cap in, you pull it out, and it holds your thread in place. So you just take this and pull that out, and your thread is in there. I thought that was really nifty. But there's the thread that I got. And I thought, oh my goodness, there's some hope maybe for this wig. So then once I got the conditioner on it, I just took a little spritz bottle, and I sprayed it with some water and rolled it up in these little perm rods. Now I did buy these other curlers, which I don't like for this wig. I can see me liking it for another wig. That would be great. But I got these, I think they're called magic curls. I got them off of Temu, if I'm saying that right. And what you do is you put this up inside, for those that don't know about this, and then you grab the lock of hair up here, pull it through, and then let it go, and then you get this ringlet forming type of thing. Well, the thing is that she doesn't have that length of hair, even for the smallest. She doesn't have that much hair to play with. I'm playing with little short pieces of hair that are really stuck together to one another. There's too much stress on her wig with these to pull through and everything. I was actually pulling out more hair than I wanted to. I stopped right away. I went, no, this has got to stop. So I went to my perm curlers, and I pulled them out, and I have a few little of the old-fashioned ones in there, just about 2 of them, and I just went with that instead. And I think this is going to be better for her. Now, if I don't get the ringlets, I'll be happy with the curls in her hair, as long as I get some curl. Now, what I would like to do is get some hairspray for this on top of here to hold some of the curls. I am going to also put in, I got the wide bobby pins where I'm going to put the wide bobby pins in. I'm going to play with it, and I am not a hair person. I'm a ponytail, wash your hair, throw it in a ponytail, and get going type of girl. That's who I am. Get on your flip-flops, get on your shorts and your shirt, and get on your bike and ride. That's the type of woman I am. I am not a fashion woman at all. Do I love fashion? There's a side of me that does. Would I wear it? Never. I'm not, that it just doesn't interest me to wear it. But on my dolls, yes, I have an eye for it. And I'm finding out that I have pushed that part of myself down. And now I'm seeing this side of me come out, and I'm loving it. So, but anyways, I thought this would be of some interest for you guys to see my update. Now let me show you inside what I did. I cut out a circle of, what did I cut out? Of muslin. And I just put in a muslin cap inside. Whoops. A muslin cap inside. I sewed it around the circumference of the doll. Now I have something to glue. And the glue won't seep through to the outside of the wig at all. So now I've got a nice little cap in there, little wig cap, and I'm happy with that. And it works out really well because it gave the wig strength that it needed. This wig was weak. So because of that, I'm able now to have a strong wig, a stronger wig. If I get the nice curls that I'm looking for, and if I can get some ringlets, I curled it all one direction, all the way around. The curlers are all going this way around. They're all being curled this way. None of them, I don't have curls going this way and curls going that way. They're all this way. I went from, what would you say, from bottom to top. That's how I did them, all the way. All my curlers are the same. Let's see how it turns out. But we're going to give her something at least on this wig here. So it's just a matter of hoping that I did everything right by her, and that she's going to be good with this here. So I'm happy with what I've seen so far, and it looks good. And the hair seems to be relaxing nicely and everything. So I hope you like what you see here. I'm going to let this sit on myself. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to let this sit for about a week in these curlers. Just let it sit and curl. She has sat for years with nothing in her hair except dirt. And I think I'm just going to let 1 week go by. This time next week, Saturday, Friday, Saturday, I'm going to deal with these curls and take them out. I want them to have a good amount of time just to sit there nice and tight and curl. And hopefully I can make it. I might pull it out in 2-3 days from now. We'll see. But I would like to let them sit for about a week. And just let them do their thing. Just curl, get tight, do your magic. There we go. But anyways, I hope you like what you're seeing here. I'm happy with it. So, yeah, it looks pretty good, I'd say. So, first time doing something like this, you know. But I was appreciative of the woman who was talking to me about Shirley Temple, because she said she's done Shirley Temple wigs herself. And sometimes she says she has to just succumb to the fact of giving her curls is enough. And when you got a wig that's so damaged, she said, and you want to keep it to the original wig. And she says they still look nice with a nice ribbon through the hair. You can at least say that's her original wig. And it really looks nice. She showed me some of the pictures of what she's done with some of the wigs that she had. And it looked really cute, a lot of the stuff she was able to do with damaged wigs. So I'm happy with what I'm seeing here. But believe me, I can show you in my garbage pail the hair that came out. I'm picking up hair off my carpet where I didn't make it into the garbage can. But if I could show you here, here is what came out of her. Oh, I can show it to you. There we go. This is her hair that came out. I might keep this hair. See if I can comb it out and maybe get some wefts out of it. I don't know. It's just right there right now. So anyways, I hope you like what you see here. Yeah, it was a lot to do yesterday, but I just dealt with it. Got to move forward with this doll and get her done. So anyways, I'll be talking to you again, and I got some more videos to be made here. So thanks for joining me, and we'll be coming back again very soon. Bye-bye.